Hey everyone! If you love smart kitchen gadgets that make cooking easy and fun, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 10 incredible kitchen tools that will save you time, effort and money. The best part? They're affordable and available on Amazon. Like, subscribe and check the links in the description to grab your favorites. Let's jump right in. Automatic Dumpling Maker. Making dumplings at home is now easier than ever. This automatic dumpling maker lets you prepare 2 perfectly shaped dumplings in just seconds. It has a fast sealing design, so you don't have to worry about messy fillings or uneven shapes. Plus, it's USB rechargeable, making it super convenient for home or outdoor use. Whether you're a beginner or a pro at making dumplings, this gadget will save you tons of time. Try it out and enjoy delicious homemade dumplings hassle-free. Spice Carousel. Keeping your spices organized has never been this easy. This 360-degree rotating spice carousel can store up to 12 different spices, helping you find what you need instantly. Its compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens, freeing up valuable cabinet space. Each jar is easy to remove and refill, so your spices stay fresh and ready to use. Say goodbye to messy spice racks and hello to a neat, well-organized kitchen. If you love cooking, this is a must-have gadget. Smart Cutting Board. This multifunctional smart cutting board is a game changer for every kitchen. It comes with a built-in scale, allowing you to measure ingredients while you chop. Plus, it has an integrated knife sharpener, so your knives stay razor sharp. The built-in storage tray lets you keep chopped ingredients separate, making meal prep faster and easier. Made from high-quality, durable material, this board is designed to last. Upgrade your kitchen with this all-in-one cutting board and make cooking effortless. Sink Splash Guard. No more water splashing onto your clothes while washing dishes. This sink splash guard attaches easily to your sink's edge and blocks water from spilling out. Made from soft, flexible silicone, it adjusts to different sink sizes and stays firmly in place. It's also heat resistant and easy to clean, making it a long-lasting kitchen essential. Whether you're rinsing vegetables or washing dishes, this splash guard keeps your kitchen dry and mess-free. A simple yet super useful tool. Magnetic Whiteboard. Stay organized with this magnetic whiteboard that sticks directly to your fridge. It's perfect for writing grocery lists, reminders, meal plans, or daily notes. The dry erase surface makes it easy to write and erase without leaving stains. It comes with a magnetic marker and eraser, so you'll always have everything in one place. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or just need a handy notepad, this whiteboard is a kitchen essential. Rotary Cheese Grater. Grating cheese, veggies and nuts has never been this effortless. This rotary cheese grater features a manual handle that makes grating super fast and easy. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades, allowing you to slice, shred or grate different textures. The non-slip base keeps it stable while in use, ensuring safety. It's compact and easy to clean, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. If you love cheese or fresh salads, you'll love this gadget. Burger Holder. Enjoy mess-free burgers with this clever burger holder. It holds your burger securely in place while you take a bite, preventing toppings from falling out. The adjustable grip accommodates different burger sizes, from classic cheeseburgers to loaded gourmet burgers. It's easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making it a reusable and eco-friendly alternative to paper wrappers. Perfect for kids and adults alike, this gadget makes eating burgers fun and hassle-free. Watermelon Slicer. Cutting watermelon can be a struggle, but not with this watermelon slicer. It slices perfect cubes in seconds, saving time and reducing mess. The stainless steel blades ensure smooth and even cuts every time. It's safe to use and perfect for kids and adults who love watermelon. No more sticky hands, just fresh, evenly cut fruit ready to enjoy. A summer must-have for every kitchen. Grape Cutter. Cutting small fruits like grapes, strawberries or cherries can be a hassle, but this grape cutter makes it super easy. Just place the fruit inside, press down, and you get perfectly sliced pieces in seconds. It's great for making salads, garnishing desserts, or preparing baby food. The sharp yet safe stainless steel blades ensures on smooth and effortless cutting. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean, making it a must-have for every kitchen. Ice cube tray. Enjoy chilled drinks with this spill-proof ice cube tray. Unlike traditional trays, it comes with a no-spill and no-touch design, ensuring a mess-free freezing experience. Simply fill it with water, pop it into the freezer, and get perfect ice cubes every time. This tray can make 18 ice cubes at once, perfect for parties or summer drinks. Made from food-grade BPA-free material, it's safe and easy to use. Say goodbye to the struggle of getting ice cubes out. So guys, which gadget did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Check the links in the description to grab these gadgets at the best prices. See you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking.